What's up?
You want to eat my fat?
No, I'm good. Anyways, sorry for the loud noise in the background. I don't know why she said that, but anyways, no, I'm not gonna show you in this live right now because you're so ugly. It makes me want to freaking die. Hi, Pluto. What's up? What's up?
You want to eat my lunch?
No, I'm good. I'm not. Alright, anyways, I'm not gonna film them today because they're acting so dumb. Oh my gosh, hi.
I miss you.
I know I miss you too. So, right now I'm filming.
You want to eat my unicorn?
No. I'm trying to say I was recording live tonight.
Yo.
What's up?
What's up?
You already came. No. Anyway.
Yo, Dad, yo.
What's up?
I need a new iPhone. You want to eat the freaking new
No.
iPhone?
Oh, they're acting so dumb today.
Yo, what the? No.
Go away. You're probably gonna act dumb too.
Okay, you want to eat this fatness?
Sorry about that, guys.
Yo.
What do you want?
What do you want to do here?
What do you mean?
Can I eat your phone?
No! Anyways, guys, I am tired of them. Like, I am tired of freaking filming them, and they're doing dumb stuff. Shut up!
Want to eat myself? Yo.
What? What do you need? What do you need?
Want to eat my AirPods?
Anyway,
Parts of America.
I'm gonna be dancing.
Yo.
Get out of my way! You're probably acting dumb. No, you're acting dumb. What am I saying? What am I saying, guys? What am I saying?
Yo, what else?
What up, Pan? But even though you're gonna act dumb.
This hamster lives underwater. Ever since his owner taught him how to swim underwater, he hasn't surfaced since. Living among the fishes as if he were a new type of
What did you just do to my son?
fishy friends every day.